Hello friends, welcome to the New Tech Navigator. My name is PK. In this video, we will show you how we can use the tooltip and the custom tooltip in Microsoft Power BI. As you are seeing my screen, I have taken here example of the normal tooltip as well as the custom tooltip. So let me show you the first normal tooltip. When we create any chart and we take the mouse there, it will show us the value on this tooltip. Like here it is showing the status is paused, number of impressions there. Okay, but if you want to add the more information, like here we have taken the cost and the revenue by region. So if I take here mouse, we can see it is showing more information apart from the cost and revenue. It is showing the revenue, cost, conversion and some other information also. Okay, and if you want to create some chart on the tooltip, when you take the mouse, it should not display these type of number, it should create another chart. Then how we can do that? Let me show you the example. So here if I take the mouse, then what it is doing, it is showing a chart on the tooltip, that is number of campaigns by campaign type. For example, I'm taking the mouse on the west region, then it is showing me the number of campaign by the campaign type only for the west region. If I take for the north, then it is showing for the north. Here we have the maximum campaigns in the WhatsApp, but here we have maximum campaign in the Facebook. And if I take here for the east zone, that is SMS maximum, and here we can see that is again Facebook. And let's say status wise also I want to see the active one. If I take the mouse, this is the number of campaigns which are active, and this is by campaign type. And let's take the mouse here and here. Okay, so I will explain you how you can create this type of chart also on the tooltip. So let's start now. So I have already created the dashboard here. Let me show you that. This is the Power BI desktop application file, and we have created the tooltip here, but I will show you from the scratch. So let me show you the data first. Here we have the campaign marketing data, campaign name, region, status, then we have some information here, and we have the created by and the campaign type also. Now we have created here the first chart, region wise, cost and revenue. Okay, then we have created the this impression by status. Let me delete these all and let me create the chart from the starting. So what I'm doing here, let me add a new sheet and let me delete this chart from here, and this chart also, as well as these two charts also, and we will delete this tooltip page. I will show you how we can add this tooltip page. We can use this page one as a tooltip page. I will show you that one also. So first let me add these two charts first. So let's go to the insert, and you can insert the chart from here, or you can go to the build also. Let's take this chart here and make the chart smaller. And let's add on the x-axis, we will take the region, and on the y-axis we will take the cost and revenue. Let's move the cost and revenue to the y-axis. Okay, so this chart is created. Now if you want to change this sum of, just remove it from here, take only cost and take only revenue. If you want to format this little bit, you can do that. Just go to the format, and here let's take title in white font, and background color, let's take this one. Take the bold size, take around 12 or 14. Align this center. Okay, if you want to further format this, you can do that. And then let's add the data labels also, so we can see the data labels also. And let's apply one border also. So just go to the size and style, visual border on this, and take the color this one. So this chart is ready. Now we will make the copy of this and just paste this here. and here just delete this and delete this one also, and we will change the chart type as pie or donut, whatever you want. In the legend just use here status, and in the value let's take the campaign id, or you can take some other things also like conversion, or you can take click, whatever you want. Okay, so let's say I'm taking conversion for now. So if I take the mouse here, you can see it is showing me status wise conversion. Okay, here you can see, you can remove the sum of from here, so this will be conversions by status. All right, so these are the normal tooltip. If I take the mouse, you can see it is showing me the region wise cost or revenue here. Okay, and similarly this one. If you want to add the more information, then how you can do that? To add the more information, just click on that chart, and here at bottom you can see one option, that is tooltip. You can simply click on add, and you can add the more options there. Like we have already conversion there, let me add the click, cost, revenue. Now if I take the mouse here, then you can see it is showing me the more information like conversion, click, cost, and it can show you the revenue also. We have taken the region by mistake. Let's delete this and add the revenue. Now let's take mouse here, so it is showing the revenue also. All right, so that is how we can customize this tooltip, and you can add the more information. But if you want to add the custom tooltip wherein you want to show some table or you want to show some chart, then how you can do that? So let me come to this page, and here I will show you how you can create the custom tooltip. Okay, to create the custom tooltip, first let's create the chart. So I'm taking this chart, the same chart here, just to show you. Let's keep this chart here, and now what I will do, just come to this page and let's rename this page. I'm just putting the page name as tooltip page. You can put the name whatever you want, there is no restriction. Okay, as per your requirement you can change the page name. Now just right click on this and go to the format canvas, and then this format canvas window will open. We will not format the canvas, we will change the page information. Okay, so just go to the page information, and this is the name of the page we just have put. You can change it if you want. We will change the page type from here. So let's take the page type as tooltip. Just click on this. Now it has taken the size of the tooltip. It is looking quite smaller. Okay, so what you can do, you can just go to the view and page view, just make it fit to page. So now it is looking slightly bigger so that we can see the visual. Now we want to show this particular page on the basis of status as well as on the basis of region. So wherever region wise chart will be available or region wise table will be available, and you hover there, it will show this tooltip page. Similarly for status also, it will show by status also. If you want to take the other column, you can take that, but for now I'm just taking these two columns. All right, now let's create a chart here. So let's take this chart. You can take any other chart if you want. So I'm taking this chart here. Now I'm just adding the x-axis as campaign type here, and on the y-axis I'm taking the campaign id. So it will take the count of campaign id, which will be number of campaigns, right? So let's put here number of campaign. So this is number of campaign by the campaign type. We can show here data labels also. If you want to apply the formatting, you can do that. So just go to the chart title, take the text as white, background let's take this one, make it bold and center. Data labels, let's take in the black color, values black. You can take here slightly darker font, this one. You can change the other information also like x-axis. So come to the x-axis, this one, take here black color and bold, and similarly for y-axis also. Alright, so this page is done. Now if I come back to the previous page and if I take the mouse here, you can see there is a chart on the tooltip, that is number of campaigns by campaign type. Okay, and similarly here also, if I take the mouse, and here also if I take the mouse, we can see the same chart. Even if I create a new chart here, let me copy and paste here, and let's say I want to create some other chart, that is pie or donut, whatever you want. Let's delete this, and here I want to take the status, then I want to show, let's say, clicks. So this is sum of clicks by status. If I take the mouse, I'm seeing the number of campaigns by campaign type. But for example, here we have taken some other tooltip, right? Custom tooltip, that was the click and some other detailed tooltip. I don't want to show this particular chart. I need my existing tooltip only for this chart. But for this chart, I want to show this tooltip. Then how we can do that? If we will remove the status from this page, okay, if I come to the page information and I remove the status from here, then what will happen? If you come here, it is showing the tooltip, and if you come here, it is showing the same tooltip, normal tooltip. Okay, but I want to show here this tooltip, and here I want to show that tooltip. So what we can do, just add the status here. Let's come here. So here it is showing the chart tooltip, and here it is also showing the chart tooltip. So let's select this and come to the format. You can open the format from here and just type here tooltip, this one, and just open this, go to the options, and here in the type it is showing the report page. Just select here default. When you select the default, it will not show the report page as a tooltip, it will just show the default tooltip. Okay, now if you want to show the default tooltip, you can further customize this. You can change the background color or the text color, whatever you want. Let's say I want to take one background color, that is yellow color, this one. Now if I show here mouse, you can see it is in the yellow color, or you can take in some different color also. Like if I hover here, it is showing in the different color. Okay, by default it takes the white color in the background. You can take any color. All right friends, so friends, that is how we can use the tooltip in Microsoft Power BI. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for the watching.